Sabi ni Furley, what strategies can I employ to revitalize and expand my computer business in a declining market? Pabagsak na ang computer business. So, ano yung pwede kong gawin? So, this is a sent-in question. So, sabi ko kay Furley, number one, kailangan mag-diversify ka na. Kung palubog na yung negosyo na yan, it's time now to shift. Diversify. Offer new services or products that are related to computers that are in demand. Marami yan. Maraming mga iba-ibang mga bagay na merong mga products dati wala. Dati computers lang. Pero ngayon marami ng iba. I don't want to enumerate everything because there are so many things. Just look around. Yung mga gumagamit ng computers, ano pa yung mga binibili nila? Ano pa yung mga hinahanap nila? So that's the first one, diversify. Second, upgrade your skills. Ano yung mga latest technologies and trends para maging competitive ka? So maraming mga bagong software, bagong apps, bagong mga gadgets na lumalabas ngayon. Ano yun? Alam mo ba kung paano gamitin yun? Kasi sometimes when you know it and people come to buy computers from you and they ask you questions and you are in the know, you will be creating very good relationship with the customers. Kaya ikaw pa rin ang babalikan nila. Number three, specialize. Dati lahat ng tao gumagamit ng mga desktop. Tapos ngayon laptop na. Some people do not even buy laptops anymore. No? Tablets na. And then some people just use their cell phone, their smartphone. So specialize and become an expert in a specific area of computers that's not being well served. So tulad nung nangyari sa amin, dati meron din kaming isang computer shop. We used to sell computers. We used to repair computers. And then eventually we found out wala nang masyadong nagpapa-repair. Tinatapon na lang kasi bumagsak na yung presyo ng mga laptops. So what's the point of training people? But then there are computers that are being used by banks. These machines that we are being used by banks, these are specialized computers na hindi lahat ng tao ay marunong mag-repair. Hindi lahat ng tao ay marunong maging service center. So that's what we specialized in. And from there, we were able to keep our computer store alive. Okay, that's number three, specialize, become an expert. And hindi naman lahat ng computers ay hindi na ginagamit. So merong mga nandiyan pa rin. Number four, target a niche. So maraming gumagamit ng computers pero iba-ibang klase sila. Ano yung specific group of customers who have unique computer needs? What I know is that there are, for example, gamers. I see my son. Okay, I see my son who is a gamer and he really has specific computer needs. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta brand sa kanya. Hindi pwedeng Mac. Hindi pwedeng mga Apple computers for him. He has a specific need. So, importante rin, lahat ng bagay mabibilis. Paano yun? Ano yung makailangan nila? Alamin. So, number five is the marketing makeover. Kailangan pag-aralan yung marketing natin kasi baka naman yung ating branding at promotional strategies ay luma na. So, kailangan nating baguhin. Kailangan up-to-date na. At kailangan based na sa ating bagong market, sa ating ginawa from number one, from diversification, from the upgraded skills, and the targeted niche. So, ganun. Pag talagang nawawala na yung trend ng business natin, kailangan listo tayo.